Do you think snoring is just a harmless sleep habit? Think again. Recent research suggests that chronic snoring and sleep apnea could actually damage your hearing. A study conducted by Ilsen Paik Hospital analyzed 90 patients with sleep apnea and found that they had significantly worse hearing than healthy individuals. The hearing loss was especially noticeable in high-frequency ranges, above 2 kHz. Additionally, the longer the apnea episodes lasted, the greater the hearing loss. So, what causes this damage? The main culprits are hypoxia, low oxygen levels and poor blood circulation. When sleep apnea occurs, oxygen levels drop, reducing blood flow to the ears. This can damage the delicate hair cells and nerves responsible for hearing. Furthermore, repeated oxygen deprivation and oxidative stress may increase inflammation, leading to long-term nerve impairment. Even loud snoring itself could contribute to hearing loss over time. How can you protect your hearing? Treating sleep apnea is key. CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure therapy, can help keep the airways open and prevent oxygen deprivation. Lifestyle changes like weight loss, regular exercise, quitting smoking, and sleeping on your side can also help. In severe cases, surgical treatment may be necessary. Dr. Lee Jae-on MI, who led the study, emphasized, treating sleep apnea is not just about improving sleep quality, it plays a crucial role in long-term hearing preservation. If you or someone you know experiences loud snoring or pauses in breathing during sleep, don't ignore it. It may be time to get a checkup.